What, Ariel? Huh? Why? What are you doing putting my gun on the ground again? Huh? What are you doing?
It's so I don't fall, okay? Now where?
I don't know.
Stop it, please.
You're the one hunting.
I'm not hunting. Birds.
Where's the birds?
Birds is not hunting. You can go out.
We're making a movie of Ariel hunting.
No, that's embarrassing.
Ariel bird hunting.
Where do we sit?
Did you hear that bird? It's somewhere close.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it was. I hear a bunch of birds over there.
Where? Where?
You don't hear all those birds?
Yeah.
That bird just flew away. There's some in that big tree.
What big tree?
Over there.
Where?
Huh?
I just heard one.
What?
It kind of like came from up there. I feel weird. Stop recording.
No, we're making a movie.
I feel weird. You know, when they record people, they usually die and then people find their footage later on.
Okay,
Yeah.
just keep going.
Yeah. Remember those movies?
Sure. You don't hear all those birds?
I'm looking for them.
No, like that far away noise.
Huh?
Sound like there's like a bunch of them together.
You hear 'em? Where do we go? Straight?
Yeah, go like... Let's go this way. You go first so I can record you.
Dog poop.
Whoa.
I want to go mulch in here now.
Straight.
Oh crap, you see all them big flies? What in the world?
Wow, what are they doing?
Where are they going?
There they are.
What? Wow.
Well, think you can pick one off from over there?
No.
Why not?
Because this gun is heavy and those birds are high.
Well, what do you want to do then?
How about we scare them?
No. Here comes one. Just kidding.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's the noise I heard.
That's
You wanna... Come here. Let's see what happens when we shoot at one. Here.
Sorry, that's annoying.
Kneel down right there
I
and
need
shoot at one.
How about right here?
Okay. Kneel down.
I can't shoot them.
Just kneel down.
Okay, now what?
Shoot at one.
It's heavy and it's way, way up there. Did I hit one? Hey, where are you going, birds? Come back.
I don't know, but you shot once and they all took off.
Come on, I'm getting this big tree. You're so dumb. I've never seen. I don't see it.
Right there.
Where?
Watch over there. It's like straight in front of you.
Oh, I
See it?
Yeah.
Hurry! It's close.
I can't get that. See? There's one on that tree. See him coming up?
Yeah, but that one's right there.
Where?
Right in front of you.
I don't see it. I don't even know what you're talking about. Wait, where'd he go?
Let's watch one.
There's a bird in there.
Yeah. If you watch really carefully, you can see him. Rest your gun on the thing. Hurry. Hurry before it moves.
I can't see him through this.
Hurry.
Oh my god.
No, stay still. There's more over there. Just gotta wait. You could have had that one. Is the safety off?
Yeah, but I can't see through that whole thing when that bird blends in.
There's one straight ahead right over there. See it?
Mm-mm.
Right there, jumping around. And now there's one on that tree.
Oh.
Hurry. Before it goes around. You need to rest. Do your arm on that or
don't.
something.
Where'd he go?
You're not gonna be able to hit it if you don't rest your arm with a gun.
Yeah, but it's hard to see him through there because to me it looks like they blend in. Are you gonna record me?
I am right now.
Oh.
Don't shoot unless you know you can hit him.
No, he keeps moving. I can't freaking see these stupid birds.
Well, I'm not gonna shoot one because it doesn't help you.
Well, these birds aren't helping me.
There's one right there. Wait. Those little ones jump around too much.
Yeah, I don't know. I have to do this.
Mm-mm.
I got a bird. I
Go
see
see
this.
it. Okay, where'd it go?
Over here, I seen his feathers fall.
Up there.
Oh, poor bird. Looks like a baby.
That's your first bird. And a little bitty one too.
I shouldn't have killed him.